Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Ensure the router is powered, internet service is active, and you know the Wi-Fi name and password. First, plug the Xbox directly via Ethernet if possible. This isolates Wi-Fi variables. If you must use wireless, choose the correct SSID on the console and enter the password carefully. While doing this, check the router for MAC filtering or parental controls that could block the console. Remove restrictions, or add the Xbox MAC address so it can connect. Once connected or after the first try, run the Xbox network test from settings to see NAT type, latency, and packet loss. If the test fails, forget the Wi-Fi profile and reconnect to force a DHCP lease renewal. Alternatively, assign a static IP if your router requires it. Change DNS to a public resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to rule out ISP DNS issues. Then rerun the test and a quick speed check to confirm stable download and low ping values for gaming. To finish, enable UPnP on the router or manually forward Xbox Live ports to remove strict NAT restrictions. After making changes, restart both router and Xbox together, and if needed, fully power cycle the router by unplugging for 30 seconds. Make sure firmware on the router is up to date and that CoS isn't throttling your console. If you still see issues, test the console on another network to isolate ISP or hardware faults. If faults continue, contact your ISP or Xbox support with your test results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.